Decomposing fractions, part 2. What is 5/8 as a sum of unit fractions? Well, 5/8 equals 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. 5 pieces, size 8s. Now, on to part 2.
Part 2, our reflection. The number of pieces that I'm counting is the numerator. The number of pieces that I'm counting is the numerator. The size of the piece is the denominator. Now, don't get the numerator and denominator confused. The denominator is the total equal parts in the whole. The numerator is the pieces that we're counting. Are we counting shaded? Are we counting unshaded? Are we counting things that we ate or things that are left after we eat it? What are we counting? That's the numerator. Are you counting the number of questions you got correct? Numerator. Are you counting the number of questions you got incorrect? Numerator. Are we counting the total number of questions on the test? Denominator. Okay? A unit fraction is the smallest part of the fraction. It is one part of a whole. Period. All right. In 6/8, I have 6 pieces, size 8s. And this needs to be typed out, not the number 8. 8s. 6 pieces, size 8s. And then you're just going to drag and drop these in here and label your unit fractions. Make sure to label your unit fractions in here. And you just don't stop at the shaded. When we label our unit fractions, we are labeling the whole fraction, the whole, all the pieces, the whole, everything in the whole. And then we're going to show what we are counting by making an equation. We are showing what we're counting. So we're counting just 6 of the pieces, and that's going to make the fraction, and we can just type it 6/8. Now the fraction is 6/8, and we're going to decompose it as a sum of unit fractions. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, size 8s. And now we're going to decompose it in a different way. Try to decompose it in a different way than you did before. 2/8 plus 2/8 plus 2/8 is 6/8. Two 8s plus 2/8 plus 2/8 is 6/8. Decomposing means, and fill this in, to break down a number. All right, and now you go to the next one. And in our small group lessons, we're going to be practicing this.
This is the end of part 2. What fraction is 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4? On a sheet of paper, draw a model that shows 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Then write the equation and the solution. Tune in to part 3 for the answer.